part, one must sacrifice time, money, and even studies for some. Marv 1 will help us out and explain how the judges identify the heroes in the cosplay scene.
Over 100 cosplayers fought for titles such as the Best Male Kid, the Best Female Kid, Best Male My Hero, Best Female My Hero, League of Heroes for the group cosplay category, and the ultimate champion of the weight of the cosplay competition. The judges took their votes, graded them, and finally the results showed the top cosplayers of Hero Nation.
Thank you po kay Lord na nakarating din po kami dito. Very happy kasi last year best female din ako. So, twice na. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat sa Hero!
Thank you, Hero! Thank you!
Siyempre, masaya. Actually, ito yung first time ko mag-cosplay ng mecha. Kaya, ayun, medyo nakakapagod, pero worth it naman. Masaya. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Hero.
Among these two cosplayers, only one emerged as the ultimate weight of the cosplay champion.
Ayaw kasi pinutin yung testa, tapos cosplay ko ay si Blackout, at ako ay nanalo sa Hero. Ako ang ultimate champion. Salamat sa Hero, sa lahat ng sponsors ng Hero TV. Lagi kayong manood ng Hero TV dahil bida ka rito.